Hey guys, it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. So for today's video, I have yet another Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxing. You guys know it's a fan favorite over here on FunsizedStyle. I'm pretty sure I said the same exact thing the last time or something very similar. I will go ahead and have a link down in the description box below where you can sign up for Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box if you're interested, and they also have free worldwide shipping. Again, I've done it so many of these videos, so we'll just go ahead and get right into this box theme and the products inside. This box theme is Gleam and Beam. So here's what the box looks like when you open it. Again, this box theme is Gleam and Beam. So you guys know what comes next after this video, and that is the Gleam and Beam makeup tutorial using the products that are in this box. Let's go ahead and see what we have. The first product that I pull out of my Gleam and Beam Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is the lip liner and blending brush in the shade Natural. I know e.l.f. is a really, I guess, quote, like, I don't want to say cheap, but some of their products are really, really nice. Like, you would not believe the price point. Not necessarily something that you would see in a $21 box, but the rest of the products are pretty great value, so you'll see why in just a few moments. So here's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the lip liner. Oh, I really like this tip. Fine, but it's not too fine. Sometimes I find that lip liners tips are almost too fine, and it can be really hard to work with. So I feel like this is a very happy medium and just what I would, I guess, design for a lip liner if I could. The first thing I noticed is how smooth it is. It's just like a nice mauve pink color, similar to my top I'm wearing today, but again, just a nice mauve color. It's a little bit darker in person than it's showing up on camera, so you guys will see in the makeup tutorial. I love this shade. This is a lip liner that I would honestly use every day. And then we have the blending side, so that's really nice. Usually lip liners don't come with that. Just blended it for a short time and like a quick second. Look at how easily it blends. I absolutely love that. For e.l.f., like, this is so nice. Like I said, some of the e.l.f. products you would not know are so affordable. I know this e.l.f. product would disappoint a lot of people for it being in a Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, but I'm super excited about this. The lip liner and blending brush retails for $3. I didn't comment too much on the theme, but as I mentioned, this box theme is Gleam and Beam. So as I'm viewing even just a quick overview of these products, this look is just going to be incredibly, incredibly natural. Even more natural than my everyday makeup look, so I'm definitely gonna have to add some like oomph to it to make it look like I have makeup on. Like, that's how much of like natural product they included. The next product in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is by Lux Cosmetics, and it's the Brown Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencils. As you guys know, one of the many reasons that I love Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is because it gives me new products, branch out and new brands, and part of doing the corresponding tutorial is because I receive so many subscription boxes. I love Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box because it's the only makeup subscription box curated around an entire theme, and so I use these products every single month and make myself create that theme's look with those products to make myself use them, make myself branch out instead of just staying in my comfort zone. When it comes to makeup, I do make a couple of exceptions in those makeup tutorials for myself because there's just some makeup products that I don't use. For example, eyeliner. You guys know my eyelids are so small and I just don't have a steady enough hand for eyeliner, and because my eyelids are so small, I feel like even just a fine tip of liner really takes away from the eyeshadow. I prefer eyeshadow over eyeliners. I exempt myself from eyeliner, and then also lashes, false lashes, which I don't think there is any in this box. If you ever see, which I'll also mention in a box when it comes, is that if you ever see this or false lashes in a box, assume that those. I will not be opening this and swatching it because I'm going to be giving this to a friend and passing it along because I'm not even going to use it. No sense of me opening it just to swatch it. The Luxe Longwear Gem Eye Pencil in the shade Brown retails for $19. The next product that I received in my Gleam and Beam Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is, I don't know what brand, I don't see the brand on here, so I'll have to look at the card, but this is the Pro Conceal HD Color Correcting Concealer. What the heck? It says it's the Pro Concealer. I thought it was a concealer, but it says this is by the brand LA Girl, and it's the Pro Conceal HD Highlighter. I'm really confused because it looks like, oh, on the back it does say highlighter. I don't know if that's the shade or what. I'm so confused right now. I'll have to swatch this, but this is by the brand LA Girl. This is so interesting. I think this is a highlighter because it has this really interesting tip. This is definitely a highlighter. I guess I should have expected that when it says the theme is Gleam and Beam, but I don't know, it just looked like a concealer from the packaging. But wow, that's incredibly bright, I guess you could say. So you definitely only need a little bit, but it's incredibly pigmented, super smooth, and I'm really excited to try this. I'll let you guys know what I think in the Gleam and Beam makeup tutorial, but overall I'm very impressed. This LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Highlighter retails for $5. For this next product, I was really bummed that they included this as one of the 5 products because there's no bonus item this month, and it takes the place of one of the makeup products that could be included, or a makeup product. And this is the Sorbet Natural Green Tea Blotting Papers. Obviously this isn't a makeup product, so that's one less makeup product in the Gleam and Beam Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. This is more of a skincare item. Obviously I won't really be utilizing this in the Gleam and Beam makeup tutorial, but these are nice to have. But in terms of me creating the corresponding tutorial, it's just one less, specifically from this box, that I can utilize. But they're just your standard blotting paper. If you would have asked me a couple years ago, I would have not been able to use these because I didn't used to have super oily skin, and I don't now. But like my T-zone gets a bit oily. Like I have combination skin, so it's on and off. So I do use these once in a while, so I'll have to add these to my stash. But unfortunately, this provides no content for Gleam and Beam makeup tutorial. The Sorbet Natural Blotting Paper retails for $7.50. The last product in my Gleam and Beam Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is by one of my favorite brands ever, by Kawkawlin Cosmetics. I saved the best for last. I didn't honestly even know what it was, but I just saw there was a product in here by Kawkawlin Cosmetics, and I just had to save it till then so we'd end off on a good note. This is a tinted lip balm in the shade Scarlet. I'm super curious to see how this will go along with this lip liner, because to me this doesn't really seem they would go together, like they would really match, but we'll see what it looks like in the makeup tutorial, which is one of the many reasons why I do them. But then also I'll see in the swatch here what these are like, but since it's a tinted lip balm, it may be lighter than it actually seems, if that makes sense. This is quite the interesting packaging. So here's what it looks like. I will say, for travel purposes, I feel like this really isn't super practical. It's a very nice full-size product. All the products in Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box are full-size. This is so odd. So you take this off, and it's this pot. But I think I took it off wrong, because why else would they have this tip? So that's kind of cool. It comes with this little brush, so you don't have to stick your finger in here, which is nice, because I don't like products that I have to like stick my finger in and put it on my lips if it's not sanitary, and I've always been like that, even like pre-COVID. So I'm going to take this brush then and swatch this. Oh my goodness, so for a tinted lip balm, this is incredibly bright. I thought it would be a little bit more subdued, being that it's a tinted lip balm, but it's certainly not. The pigmentation is definitely there. Wow, wow, wow. As I mentioned, I'm curious to see what the combination will be like with the lip liner, because I don't know, I feel like they don't really go together, but maybe it will create a super cool look that I never thought of. Reason 1 million why I love Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. Wow, totally not what I was expecting, but super pigmented and amazing. And that's what I expect from Kawkawlin Cosmetics. I've had such great experience with their products, and this is no different. This is actually a really great product, and I'm excited to use this in the Gleam and Beam makeup tutorial. So that is everything in my Gleam and Beam Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. I really love everything in this box except for the eyeliner, and instead of including these blotting papers, I wish they would have included an eyeshadow. Because this look is so incredibly natural, even more natural than like my everyday, I can just tell by the card they want it to be like more natural. I'm going to use my own natural eyeshadow palette for this look, and I'm going to try to use one that I don't really use often. Other than that, I'm super excited about the products in this box, and really, really excited to create the Gleam and Beam makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to check out the link down below to subscribe to Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. Even though this individual box is no longer available, I'll have all the individual products linked down below as well. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in my next video.